Hello, beautiful moms. Welcome to today's live. I'm so excited to have you here. I'm Manisha, a time optimization and productivity coach, and with me today is a very special guest, Mehra. Hello, Mehra. Over to you.
Hi Manisha, thank you so much. Hello everyone. I'm Mehra and I help Indian women who feel unseen in self-doubt to rebuild deep inner confidence and emotional freedom so they finally feel peaceful inside, valued in relationships and unstoppable in their dreams.
Wow, Mehra, that sounds so exciting. Can you tell us a little about your work and what inspired you to start helping women with confidence?
Sure. Manisha, I once lived the same life of constant compromise and low self worth, shrinking, doubting, and silencing myself for others. But through healing and mindset shifts, I found emotional freedom. I found that freedom, emotional freedom, because healing taught me that confidence isn't noise, it's peace in your own skin. And now it's my purpose to help other women to stop endlessly compromising and start feeling respected, valued, and alive again without losing themselves.
That's very powerful, Mehra. Women are living their lives without losing themselves is itself very powerful and empowering. So, Mehra, can you tell us what makes moms lose confidence over time? Because if you're confident enough, then you can grow easily in your life.
Sure, exactly. If you're confident enough, then you can grow easily in your life. And what happened, Manisha? Most moms slowly lose confidence because they are constantly giving and forgetting themselves in the process. They get trapped in guilt, comparison, and they believe that their worth comes only from being a perfect mom.
It makes sense, Mehra. Only because someone wants to be a perfect mom, she's ignoring all other basic values in her day to day life. So, Mehra, can you tell us what does low confidence usually show up in a mother's daily life?
Absolutely, yes. That low confidence shows up in many ways, in many small ways, I would say. Saying yes when you mean no. हमेशा हाँ कहते रहना जब जब आपको ना कहनी है, जब आपको अंदर से ना कहनी होती है. Apologizing too much or hiding your dreams. Many women think that's being humble. It's being, humble, but actually it's fear of not being good enough. And that's why that low confidence shows up in small way like this only.
That's correct, Mehra. They need to face that fear of not being good enough. Can you suggest a quick practice to overcome this feeling of low confidence?
Sure, there is a quick practice, but it's very simple and easy too, but you need consistency to, to create that result by applying this practice. And I call it three-word mirror practice. Okay?
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
every morning is just simple. Every morning, look into your eyes in the mirror and say three words that describes your truth. Like, I am enough, I'm capable, I can handle it. It takes just 30 seconds, but over time, it shifts your energy from self doubt to self trust. And that's why I called it as three-word mirror practice.
Amazing, Mehra. This practice doesn't take too much time. Only 30 seconds. Anyone can take out time for this practice. You know, Mehra, many mothers tell me they feel guilty taking time for themselves. What do you think about this?
Yes, I completely understand that guilt. But guilt isn't truth. What I
Hmm.
feel is guilt is just the emotion that punishes you for choosing your own needs.
Hmm.
जैसे example है, sometimes finally take you decide to take one evening off for your own self, right? You watch a show, make tea, feel a bit peaceful, but soon that ache rises in your chest after a few minutes only. और थॉट्स आने लगते हैं, आई शुड हैव फिनिश्ड दैट ऑफिस रिपोर्ट, आई शुड हैव कॉल माय मदर, मे बी आई एम बीइंग सेल्फिश, राइट?
Hmm.
That's guilt, the emotion that punishes you for choosing your own needs. It whispers that rest is irresponsible and self love is indulgent. Right? खुद के लिए सिर्फ कर रहे हो, सेल्फिश फीलिंग लाता है गिल्ट.
Yes, Mehra, many women don't know that guilt is an emotion.
Yes, this guilt, and this guilt isn't about the undone tasks. It's the little girl inside who was taught good girls don't rest. But when you refill your energy, you actually serve your family better. So just start with 5 guilt free minutes, maybe a short walk, breathing, journaling, dancing. Do it. Create time for your own self. It's not selfish, it's self respect.
Hmm. It's like charging yourself to get more energetic or powerful. Mehra, now the next concern is how can moms stop comparing themselves with others, especially on social media?
Right. You know, the easiest way to stop comparing yourself with others, and especially on social media, is to turn your energy inward. Scrolling करने के बजाय and seeing what others are doing, create one short goal just for you,
Hmm.
right? For example,
Yes.
commit to exercising for 10 minutes every morning or
Hmm.
journaling for 5 minutes before going to bed. When you keep that small promise to yourself, and you start building self trust and inner confidence. Every night, just write one thing you did well, however small, no matter. That single habit slowly shifts you from I'm not enough to I'm growing and doing my best. What I feel.
And what if someone says, I have tried many things, but nothing changes?
Yes, I hear that a lot, Manisha. you know
Hmm.
but the truth is, deep change comes from consistency and not complicity. हम लोगों को आदत रहती है हर चीज को कॉम्प्लेक्स करने की,
Hmm.
right? Even small 5-minute daily actions can build new emotional safety over time. For that, we just need to rise above our mood. हमें मूड से ऊपर उठना है. आज मूड नहीं है, इसकी बजाय कहना है I'll do it anyway, right? Don't rush,
Hmm.
because healing is slow magic.
Yes, Mehra, everyone wants quick fixes nowadays. But it's really true that healing is a slow process. It takes time. There is no shortcut for it. Mehra, now let's talk about something we both deeply care about, how confidence and productivity are connected. Because a confident mind and an organized day go hand in hand.
Absolutely. When a woman feels that confidence, she makes clear decisions. She stops overthinking, set boundaries, and uses her time wisely.
Yes, that's correct. But let me tell you, while using time wisely, you must be consistent. And for being consistent, I have a consistency record formula. By using this, moms can become consistent and can feel peace and in control, which boosts their confidence too.
That's so true. That's so true. I'm also sharing my free overthinking to calm mind PDF. Simple 8 ways. And the title is When Mind Won't Stop, for women who struggle to quiet their thoughts. So combine both Manisha's consistency record formula and my calm mind tools for your emotions, all our viewers, and you will start feeling balance inside out.
Exactly. When the mind is calm and the day is structured with consistency, moms can truly thrive. Before we wrap up, Mehra, any final message for all the beautiful mothers watching?
Sure, sure. Please remember, you're more than your roles. You don't need to earn your worth through exhaustion, sacrifice, or perfection. You only need to remember it. Your worth was meant to be felt deeply by simply being you. So start with one small act of self respect today.
You are more than your roles and just be you. Thank you so much, Mehra, for this wonderful conversation. And thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to download our free gifts. Comment clarity below for a free clarity call. We will DM you the details.
And thank you, everyone. Sending you love and calm energy. You deserve peace, joy, and confidence every single day.